Good morning, my dear children. Take out your math book. Page number 66. Page number 66. Subtraction with borrowing. Today also we will do subtraction with borrowing only. Okay? So let's see the steps. See. Example, we have 55 minus 28. 55 minus 28. Now we always start from ones column. No, so in ones we have 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. As we cannot take away 8 from 5, as 5 is smaller to 8. No, so in this case we will borrow 1 from this tens column. Okay, so let's follow the step now. Step 1. Subtract the ones. You cannot take away 8 ones from 5 ones, since 5 is smaller to 8. So we need to borrow 1 10 from tens column and change it into 10 ones. We now cut 5 and write 4. Now we have 10 plus 5 equals to 15 ones. See. 5 minus 8. As we cannot take away 8 from 5, so this 5 will borrow 1 from this tens column. Okay, and this 5 will give 1. See, it gave 1 to these 5 ones. Now it became 1 5 15. Okay, now as this 5 gave 1 to these 5 ones, now it will become 4. See, we now cut 5 and write 4. We'll cut now 5 and write 4. Okay, now we have 10 plus 5 equals to 15. See, 1 plus 5 equals to 15. Now 15 minus 8 equals to 7. We write 7 in ones place. Now we can take away 8 from 15 ones. No, so 15 minus 8 equals to 7. So we write here 7. Okay, now step 2. Subtract the tens. Now we have to subtract the tens. Now we have only 4 tens left in the tens column, tens place. 4 minus 2 equals to 2 tens. We write 2 in tens place. So now in this tens place we have 4 minus 2. Now 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Out of 4, if we will take away 2, we will be left with only 2. So we'll write here 2. So it means 2 tens and 7 ones. This means 27. Okay. So in this way we will do this work again. See. Number 1, we have 37 minus 19. 37 minus 19. So we'll always start from one side, ones column. So in ones we have 7 minus 9. Now see, we cannot take away 9 from 7, as 7 is smaller to 9. No, so we'll ask 1 from this tens column. The 7 will ask 1 from this tens column. Now this 3 will give 1 to these 7 ones. Now it became 17. Okay, and we'll cut this 3 and write here 2. Why? Because this 3 gave 1 to these 7 ones. Now see, we have now 1 7 17. So now we can easily take away 9 from 17. No, so 17 minus 9 equals to how much? 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So 17 minus 9 equals to 8. So we'll write here 8. Okay, now in tens place we have 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So out of 2, if we take away 1, we will be left with only 1. So we write here what? 1 2. Okay, so in this way you will do this work. Okay, let's do number 2 also. 34 minus 18. 34 minus 18. Now in ones we have 4 minus 8, as 4 is smaller to 8, so we cannot take away 8 from 4. Now this 4 will borrow 1 from these 3 tens. Okay, now this 3 will give 1 to these 4 ones. Now it became 1 4 14. I will cut this 3 and we write here 2. Okay, because this 3 tens gave 1 10, means 1 ones to these 4 ones. Okay, means 1 10 to these 4 ones. So now we have 14 minus 8. Now 14 minus 8 equals to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6. So we write here 6. Now in tens place we have 2 minus 1. So So 2 minus 1 equals to 1. Okay, means 2. If we, out of 2, if we take away 1, we will be left with only 1. Now number 3, we have 60 minus 29. 60 minus 29. So in ones place we have 0 minus 9. So now this 0 will borrow 1 from this 6 tens. Okay, now this 6 will give 1 to this 0 ones. Now it became 1 0 10. As this 6 gave 1 to these 0 ones, now this 6 will become 5. Okay, we'll cut this 6 and we'll write 5. Now 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 equals to 9, 10, 1. So we'll write here 1. Okay. Now in tens place we have 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2. So out of 5, if we'll take away 2, we will be left with 3. So we write here 3. Okay. So in this way you will do all the work. Okay. See, there are many questions from 1 to 33. 1 to 33. Okay. So you will do all this work in your book only. Okay. And also I'll send you the note which you write in your copy. Okay. So your work for today is to do this page number 66 and page number 67. You will do all this work in your book. Okay. And also I'll send you the note which you write in your copy. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you.